If you are watching my video for the first time, I make videos about how to make money online with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to check out the other videos on the channel. You would definitely find them interesting. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description where I literally walk you through a step-by-step process on how I build and set up passive income with CPA marketing, literally making hundreds of dollars every single day. Everything you are going to learn in this course right here. As you can see, some of the student earnings right here. So without wasting any more time, let's get back into today's video. So the first thing you want to do is, first of all, you want to keep in mind you can use Cpagrip for this method I'm about to show you right here in this video. You can also use CPA lead as well. All right, so I'm just basically taking Ogads as an example right here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have a CPA account. And once you have your account created, like I said, be it with Ogads, CPA lead, or Cpagrip, the next thing you want to do now is you want to go over to Google and you want to type in free PLR ebook. Okay, so once you do that, you are going to see a lot of websites that will allow you download PLR ebooks that you can give away for absolutely free, and you can even claim ownership to these ebooks. So the first one right here is freeplrdownloads.com. So once you come over to this website right here, they give you absolute right to claim and edit and modify these PLR ebooks for absolutely free. So once you've done that, you can see right here niches. So if you take a look at the left hand side of this page, you can see right here there are a lot of niches where you can get ebooks for absolutely free and make money in pure passive income. People don't even need to purchase any item or product or any services for you to earn money. All right, so once you come over to the left section of the page, you can see right here there are abundance of niches that you can choose from. So basically I'm going to be taking the health and fitness niche as an example just for the purpose of this video, but by all means you can replicate this same process with other niches on this section right here. So as you can see right here, this is one of the PLR ebook for the fitness niche on plrdownloads.com. So once you come over here, you can download this product for absolutely free. All you need to do is click on the download button right here. So once you do that, it's going to download to your PC right away. As you can see, I have it downloaded on my PC right now. Okay, so once that is downloaded, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to YouTube. All right, so you want to type in a keyword related to whatever niche you are doing. If it's the make money online niche, you can just basically type in how to make money online right here. So basically what you want to do from here, you want to select a popular video right here. This is a video about 10 minutes teaching people how to build muscle. As you can see right here, the video is constantly getting views, which means a lot of people are getting value from this video. So what you want to do from here, you want to basically grab the link to this video by clicking on the video. So once you click on the video, you will be able to grab the link to this video. So all you need to do is click on this share. So once you do that, then this is the link to this YouTube video. All you need to do now is to copy the link to this video. So the next thing you want to do right here, you want to go back to your CPA account and you want to go to the content locker section. All right, as you can see right here. All right, so I'm going to show you how to create a content locker with this page. So once you do that, you want to click on this create a content locker. And once you've created the content locker, you can basically type in something like, I'm just going to take this as an example by typing sample, and you want to scroll down and you want to basically go to this section that says redirect to another URL. And here you are going to paste in the link to the video right here. So I'm just going to paste in the link to this video right here. As you can see, I'm taking this as an example. So you want to come over to this advanced section and you want to choose the number of conversion you want. It's up to you. Whatever conversion you set is absolutely fine. So I'm just going to set this to 2 conversions and I'm going to go to the desktop specific. All right, so you want to come to this section that says desktop specific. And you want to type in what people are going to see once they click on the content locker link. All right, so you want to basically type in something simple like complete 2 offers below to access video. You want to do the same thing for the mobile specific section by typing in video locked, as you can see right here. And also if you come down to this other section right here, which says the mobile description, you want to also type in complete 2 offers below to access video. Or if you want to use 1 offer, 3 or 4 offers, I'll leave that up to you to decide. So once you have this set up, all you just literally need to do from here is click on create locker. So once you do that, you want to grab the link to your content locker. So you can see right here, this is the link to this content locker. So I'm just going to open it in another tab. All right, as you can see right here, video logged, complete 2 offers below to access video. So basically all the visitor needs to do is complete any of these CPA offers right here, and they will get redirected to watch this video right here. So basically that is a very smart approach when you are trying to make money with content locking. So the next thing you want to do, you want to head over to a website called addlinkarticle.pdffiler.com. So I'll probably leave a link in the description to this page right here. So once you come over to this page, here you want to click on this browse for documents on your computer, and then you want to upload the ebook you just downloaded from freeplrdownloads.com. So I am just going to upload the ebook right now. All right, as you can see now, this is the content of the ebook. And now you can see right here, the ebook contains 10 pages. So now you want to come to each of the 10 pages. All right, you want to paste a link redirecting to the content locker. All right, so here you are going to click on this text option right here. You are going to drag it actually, and you are going to drop it right here. And you want to type in a very eye-catchy call to action to make people want to click on the link. So as you can see, this is an example right here, how to build muscle fast, guaranteed gains. Okay, so what you want to do from here, you can basically drag this if you want. So once you're done, all you want to do is you want to click on this button right here, and you want to drag it to any section of the page that you want. Okay, so basically I can scroll down and I want to paste it at the bottom of this page. All right, and also I want to add in some bold to this. So I'm just going to highlight this, and then I'm going to click on bold. All right, as you can see, everything works fine. So now you are going to click on this section that says link, and this is where you are going to paste in your content locker link. So if I go back to Ogads, so I'm just going to copy this link right here, and I'm going to paste in the link right here. Okay, so all I need to do is click on save. All right, as you can see, this is the link to the content locker. So if I click on this link again, as you can see, it brought us to the content locker. So anyone who has access to this ebook get to see this link right here, and if they click on it, it's going to take them to this content locker to watch the video. And if they complete the offers, you make money. It's that simple. All right, so basically you want to repeat the same process for all of the pages right here. As you can see, we have about 10 pages. So as not to prolong this video, I'm going to stop right here. So once you have that done, now you may be wondering, how do you make money with this? It's very simple. All you need to do is go over to Facebook. You want to type in a keyword related to your niche right here. As you can see, we have fitness group for women, fitness motivation, fitness workout. As you can see, there are a variation of the keywords right here. So basically you can see right here, taking fitness as an example, you want to make sure you filter the search to groups. As you can see, this is a group right here with over 100,000 members, and this is another one right here for building and fitness with over 400,000 members. So basically all you just need to do is join this group right here, and I don't recommend you going to this group to spam your links. You want to go over to this group, you want to give value in this group. So once you join the group, this is an example of a post you want to make in the group. So I'm going to be taking this one here as an example. So you want to join all the groups like I said, and you want to come over to the write something section, and you want to paste in something simple like this, because this is a giveaway and so many people would want to join in on the giveaway. All right, so once you do that, a lot of people will leave a comment saying ebook, and then you are going to send this ebook to these people. Okay, so now once you're done, all you just basically need to do is click on done right here, and you want to re-download this ebook again. All right, so basically if you click on this PDF, you are going to download it as a PDF again. All right, so once you've downloaded this ebook again, all you need to do is come over to media file, and you want to upload the file again. All right, as you can see, this is the uploaded file right here. So once you've uploaded it to media file, all you need to do is copy the link, and you want to go back to Facebook. Like I said, whoever replied this post with the word ebook, you are going to send them to this media file link. As you can see, this is a PDF it's not an affiliate link or anything. So most people are going to click on the link. So once they download this PDF article, they are going to be brought to this ebook right here where they get to see this link. And like I said, whoever is interested in building muscle like this ebook right here is going to be interested in this video right here. Okay, so once they click on the video, like I said, it's going to bring them all they need to this page, and all they need to do is complete 2 offers or 1 offer depending on how many offers you set. All right, and that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on this video, and if you have any question, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.